Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows WIA Scan Error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's one interesting thing. I have checked it on the Microsoft Answers forum and it has one main solution, that is to restart the dependency services. So, search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services application. Scroll down to the Windows Image Acquisition Service. Okay, right click on it and restart it. The next one is the remote procedure call service. Though this one is usually started, but still we can try a check on this. Okay, so we will scroll to R. Wait. Okay, right click on remote procedure call. If you have the option, you can restart it, but mostly you won't have the option because it is a necessary service. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.